talk, wetin concern you, concern Ijo. Wetin concern you, concern Ijo. Benjamin, wetin call, go on, bear, you dey craze. Our brother Bijou, you dey mad. Ogu dey cure papa. You feel fat Ijo? Tell the Ijo may they come now. Tell the Ijo may they come. We go took the wetin not good. Tell the Ijo may they come. Go and ask wetin happened some years ago. They come, they're not asking, they come, they collect. They come and they collect. You dey craze? You see that those fake accounts? If you not come, I will collect. We not normal. Don't tell me it's okay. This tribalism must continue. I will go promote and well. We go promote this tribalism, well, this division. We must promote her. The Enike, for instance, not all of them. Now, about 10 of them, they do this nonsense. About 10 of them, now they do this nonsense. Out of the 35, about 10 of them are the ones doing this nonsense. About 10 of them, now they do this nonsense. So if they want this nonsense to continue, we will continue on. You think we are stupid? For what now? For how long? For how long? How useless Duke for us and there. They talk nonsense.
They are the liability to us, political liability to us. You know, even economically, apart from those three local governments.
He said, may they introduce good thing. Now, Juju, now they can't introduce for Tito. How they take do Juju went up their own. Olumila, now for Yoruba. Ogun, now for Yoruba. Also Pika, now for Yoruba. Also Lele, now for Yoruba. Now they come, they introduce for Tito. Who do I say when not make before you know, you don't go say we go for year. Say we go for year. Say we go for year. He say na river. He said may they go walk, may they make money. River. I love it. You the amount of the river.
I like that thing when you talk just now. I said this thing, I will chop this thing. I feel there today for like 10 hours. Because the thing long. The fuck up since then. Iwaiko who was since then. Today I will treat all of now fuck up. Go read those stupid dukes. No, bear we go. No, bear we go. You see that honor your food job back. That one you guys say beg. I'm not gonna put your picture because I don't because I don't want to make you popular. I don't go match your picture because if I put your picture, you ask you too popular. With your useless wife with this pain. That Leona or whatever. If I born Allah with Begbe, His Royal Majesty, no I bear we go. No I na sungu. No I even na sungu wagbon. That day, when something happened for palace, our palace, okay, about our queen, that's why they come and they talk nonsense. Queen no, he not concerned now. But this is like the same queen where they call a son for Ujogba. She put this thing for her TikTok right now. I will see her. You see her? This now na so-called queen open breast for ground for social media. This now na so-called queen open breast for social media. See her? You see her? Now na queen be this one for Ujogba. Get Leona, whatever you call yourself. You see her? If they play guitar, this is your queen. Where they call herself Majesty. Now na queen be this one na queen. Are they come for now? Wait to. This is the same queen. The same queen when they serve Odudu of Yoruba. You not see this one. The same queen when they support Agbo Okosun. They support that useless social worker. When they call themselves. This is your so-called queen. Serving Yoruba deity. According to you. You blind. You not see this one. You blind. You not see this one saying that Yoruba deity they serve too. But now Benio they pay you for her. Okpaika. Now one of una queen, when they call queen be this one, your duke wife for this thing, for what you call Ujoba, now be this one. Now Yoruba deity, now they serve so. Abi? Now be this one. We go. Very useless people. All these small rats. Now they feel say, as una belong. As in, if you have the agua, or the atinfuemu, or go beluwa, you dey craze? Are you normal? Like, you some live una. Now you want bamana the cocoa, or the agua here, you dey craze? You dey craze? You just say you get monopoly of madness, agbo kosun. While agbo kosun, you have few pegegwa. You are using agbo kosun, is what TV. Now they use that stupid Ojelimi and Eromose. Then they throw mass, they come my palace. Then you want me to keep quiet. If I talk, you say, then if you're doing sonomu boto, they'll say, I'm not giwa. Now, I'm going to very soon. See, let me tell you something about me, young boy. Let me tell you. Rufia, you see why I like your comment? You see they make me calm down some more. Let me tell you, you say they will deport me. First of all, I not pass road come. Okay? My parents, now bring me come Europe. And I take come, they give me documents instantly. Okay? I not suffer documents for my life before. In my suffer there. I never go date to Igbo on that Durex. Like you now, that Durex. You take go date that Igbo, and the Igbo they wreck your life. Then come my profile, look at Rufia and me. That useless Romy boy not get sense. Make tribalism kill your head with those body source as in the sponsor of una. You want to do tribalism, Abi? This tribalism will go continue on. Our continue and it is sweet me now. Since my sister get monopoly of madness, make the thing continue. May on open platform, they will go open our own. May we also go laugh pass. When I want to do crazy, Abi, we will do this madness on social media. Make it fine. You say, why you not premier the deporter? Oh, get what it is. Of course now, he said they will deport person like me. Come here. I come Germany which day for here. In case maybe you come last. I came to Germany which day here. The language, I know they speak them already. This is my BS result. This is my BS result. I was about going for the B2. But the B2, they don't sponsor B2 anymore. This is B2. The school I've gone to before. Okay? I don't pass my BS already. You say, the B2 I want to do, they say not they sponsor B2 anymore. Let's say you get Beruf. You understand? So that's okay, no problem. Not the rest. So tell me your own. What's your pedigree? I did Italian study. I can speak Italian language. I can write. I can do everything in Italian language. I came here for more opportunities. So that's why I came here. I did match on further. So tell me your own pedigrees. I'm well traveled. I'm well learned. I went to one of the best schools in Edo State. One of the best schools in Edo State. Tell me which school you go for Nigeria. Man, no. One of the best schools in Edo State. If you mention Edo, the best school in Edo State, call UPSS. They go answer you. Call it Benito, they go answer you. But I went to UPSS, University Preparatory Secondary School. Tell me the school you went to in Edo State. One stupid grammar school. And you want to talk to someone like me. Are you stupid or something? Are you normal? If I speak grammar now, can you even comprehend? Can you even speak? Can you even assimilate? You tabula rasta. Empty slates. You are trying to come and talk to someone like me. Are you okay? You normal? Are you okay? Like, I don't understand. You mad or something? Or because they speak pidgin with you, if it's more stomach, will they speak together? Can you do that? Are you crazy? Are you cuckoo or something? Europe do me well. Are you normal? Where I for stand academically, can you even stand there? Where your WAEC result? Where your WAEC result? Myself. I said, bring your document, come out. I see your landed property, come out. I go bring my come out. You just did my cupboard here. My landed property, the document there here. Bring your own comment, I go bring my own comment. Bring your own comment, make I bring my own comment. You go show me, I will show you. I don't show you my BS now. I only hide my name and those things. That's all. Show me something. Prove something. You just now all the dope boys will be say someone, as if someone don't know themselves. This is why I can make if you're doing so. Waji school, you are working under someone, and a laborer you be. I know what you are doing. You get there as you get your what you call your fuga shine. Understand? You dey work as a truck or as in a sweat, but you be like you dey as in the labor. Labor won't kill you. Beer, you know the bad. As the someone want kill your enemy. You were supposed to they collect for Yibo and Yibo they collect for you. Go for Yibo thing. I know you follow Yibo. You know in Yibo, you frustrate. You know who be like Mao they follow Yibo self. Who were frustrating now? You frustrate. As I did now, they follow Yibo. But if you see me, I be like, I don't understand. I can't even explain it. Where I stand, you can't stand there. I too go big. That is why they see say some I don't even they put themselves where. How they vex for them. Oh yeah, man. You don't know who you be. Why are you in school? Study properly. Why study? Why are you in school? This is why you can just say, if your brain not correct, you're not the upright, you not go school, I don't feel near you. We not feel be friends. My standard is too high. My standard for life is too high. I also say when I be proud, I do the brand, do the form. Every form, you know, it is standard. Okay, you say, do I look like a man who one feel? It was war. Now, if you are so tattered, why? Just go my profile now. I never even dressed today. I just looks like, let me open live stream. Just go my profile. If you as a man, if you, like somebody say be man, will they toast me for that? Like say you not be man, will they toast me as a woman? You know how many girls they come in inbox? I see you all the red chest and they tattered and look it so unkept. You want to talk to a person like me? Ovie do pataki. Ovie ba. Eh? Ovie CCC. You know the fear. You say Temu has shine. Temu has shine. I buy things here. You're very right. I buy things sometimes from Temu. No. Shine. And I buy for TikTok shop. I buy for Zara. I buy some marker too. From like Armani and stuff like that. So what you do shine? I think Temu I bought something for them like twice or so. So what you do shine and Temu? Now Spirit they buy clothes for them. Now Spirit they buy clothes for shine and Temu. Now Spirit they buy clothes for shine and Temu. I'm asking you, Oswald. So Oyibo will get the country that they buy for shine, let alone me, where it come from Africa. Where be saying I manage with the manage for the Africa. That they buy from there, let alone me and you. We go useless boy. Urofia. Which kind of name be that? Wow, Urofia. Yeah, Chris. Let me continue. We go. Bastards. Want to do saga? You don't bring the saga. Well, this now nonsense. Okpaika. I don't do that nonsense with now. Igwawe. If you come, your enemy, I'm your enemy. Simple. It is as simple as that. I can't be preaching oneness. I beg these people for a long time. I went to Lily. I go beg this girl. I went to many of them. Stop this nonsense. We begged these people inside last year. They mocked us. Benin people, they beg us. They beg us. More can be one. I force to be one. My Okpa. They were put it on our faces. Insulting us. Bringing our back down. Insulting us. Say, now so they tell us, if you see us as a snake, now me really hate some person. Now me put one ace and girl from my house for 3 good months. Now I give us some person job. I feed the guy for 3 good months. Do you know how heartbreaking it is to see people you call your own brother? They'll tell you, say, you treat them bad. When they take you, when they carry, they talk bad about you for outside. On public, do you expect me to be happy? Do you know how demeaning it is? How heartbreaking it is? You're very stupid. A tribalism now promote a gay area. Chris.
When the governor of Lagos State they talk, when Lagos they talk, Benin go hide. You know, Lagos get almost 3,000 plus landmass, the equivalent to Eastern land. But Lagos State GDP is higher than the one.
You know that. Look at you get your Eastern there. You don't have problem with your Eastern being underdeveloped. You don't have problem with your GDP there in your Eastern states. When are they propose? in disguise with whether in African states. You don't have a problem with that. Beatrice, Okpaika and co. Because this is your gang. Indigenous people of Esan, this is your gang. Naibuna gang. Naibuna gang. And Okpaika is a secretary in that group. Because of the bashing on social media, now she can't begin to remove herself. So if they open platform, but for back, anytime they post their things on their platform, they always attack Beatrice Okpaika. This is this evil, deadly woman. This deadly woman. Dana. Waniya lele. Waniya donolele here. I de pity una. Or poison wagufua. And trust me, I go post ROIP for your picture. Monja post a ROIP picture where. I go post them because hey, something block your ear. Who not like you, boot farm? Who not like you, boot farm? Not send anybody, cross your heart. Our ancestors don't take nonsense. We all see nonsense in it. I not hate you where. Who yale le here? Who bewa? Who are near? Who are near for year? Who are near? You deaf? You deaf? Adumao? And they bring more videos out. You go tired. You'll be heartbroken today. You go know why we say people they pay for them. I will bring more videos and seeing the nonsense they are doing on social media. You'll be so heartbroken today. And I nonsense. I'm not going now. Push out to the next word and fuck them off. I'm saying it again. You, my friend, you be a son. Anything will be. Aruba or whatever. Guy, fuck off if you not like it. Get the fuck out. I don't send you. You dey finish so? I not send you. I mean, I do blood. Now I send now. I be tribalist now. I don't send anybody. You dey Chris?
So you now will be anti-development. Measure the local government, go measure Urion local government, go measure of your this state. When back or back of your don't have back. Imagine full local government don't have back. Is that not a disgrace? When they come and call people liability, they are liability to waste and land. We, the some people, we are the most educated people in that state. We, the some people, when it comes to politics, we are the political jagaban.
You are the political jagaban. There is no problem. But your dukes came to the Oba of Benin. Your dukes came to the Oba of Benin, stood up and addressed him, Your Royal Majesty. Please, please, they begged. You are politically relevant. No doubt about it. Okpaika and co. With your group, where Agbo Kosun form, with some warrant chiefs that call themselves kings or whatever. Who dash you? Ajanwe, who dash you? Who dash you now? Ajanwai, I they come to history. Am I swen 5 hours? Am I swen? Awa kalwene degbe. Ogun beluwa, ide Chris. Who be no pebble? Ayaku. Nobody should be anybody up here, please. Mommy, oh, now let me come up. Mommy, come down here. Let me talk first now. You know?
Okay. Let
worry. Just come down first. I want to finish my things here first. No, nobody should come up, please. I don't want anybody here first. Let me be done my things there now. Then I can bring people up here. I no sense. Take button. Hello, wait. What say nonsense in here? What brings that nonsense? We talk this away. What we done? Azuo we do mezuo. Wana azuo we do mezuo. Tia ke push mafua. Then when you then they will come and say that we hate them. How do we hate you people? You people came for as a governorship. When I say that one governorship matter, our brother Ize Yamu, Denko Dede, Ize Yamu supposed to even contest. He's supposed to contest. As far as those people come, because we they respect everybody. Now because they angry, now they talk like this normal. You understand? We they respect everybody. As if this say we look as okay, they are our brothers. And to God who made me, yeah, to okay, and then not better again, mame. If I lie, this day will break so may not better for me. If I let what I talk now. As they came, I saw the video and I said, true. I can't really go look statistics. If you some as you may rule the only. Now say these people they got to at least probably try again. If I lie, today will break now, may not better for me. In a to okay. If I lie, today will break now, may not better for me. What we say yo? What we say yo? More time. I want to lie. Now I say, why we go the rules is then? We not lazy people. Rule say okay, true, not be lie. Osumbo. Now 1 year plus it rule. So it good make Esa people see rule now. I supported Esa agenda. I support her with my full chest. That's okay. Let them rule. So when Denko was there, do this and say, this guy, when we come down, you will see the House of Rep. When they come down here, my mind. You understand? When they come down here, now is a yamu, remove Denko for road. We know what he play. People verse. Now it's a big Okpaika will come. Just one call. Just one call from Yenige from Esa. Did we answer? Did we support it? Then you come along and tell me that you are politically relevant. Why did you have to come to the Oba of Benin? Why? Why did you have to come to the Oba of Benin to ask for that same political relevance? Why did you have to come to the Oba of Benin to ask for that same political relevance? If I really get the balls to shoot everything, to talk all these things, why do you have to come? The same thing you did in Edo South, you did the same thing in Edo North. And they even told you guys that we don't hear on our bots. We get people who say they want to see contest. That was the reply for them. But Baba for Edo South say, I don't hear una. I go discuss with my chiefs. Two different ideology. One say we don't hear una, but our children for years say they want to see contest. So you at least you go use your brain. Take get the code, say they're not going to support una. But Baba for Edo South tell una say I go discuss my chiefs because you know what they can't create enemy for himself. Because it's okay, no, I will support una. What do you expect make other Edo candidates? Uno Edo, what do you expect them to do? Don't say, okay, Baba, you don't dey partisan. So you dey support this person, leave me. I no go agree. We get Okpaika for that place. You dey feel also? We get Okpaika for that, and I think it's from Hussein or whatever. I don't know. I think so. From Edo South. Now I take put that guy, and I'm more Yevani, as in that one was out of there. So Baba talking you, but last, who be the governor today? After una say una need this agenda, who be the governor today? Not be Esama. If now we are tribalism, then you sure say for listen to una. If now we are hatred, they say not like una. You sure say they for listen to una. Who they bring Esa artists they come abroad? Another question. We hate una. Uka miesa umienye ugbe. Uka besa uke gbenye. We not like una. We not love una. We not like a lot of una. The Esa artists when they come abroad. Where our brothers they bring they come. Who they bring they come? Aviare. How many don't bring come from una side? How many Esa person for abroad? They don't sponsor Edo artists, Esa artists, and Edo not artists come. Now we the runner. Now we. Ma run Now we the runner. We don't love una. We not love una, but they bring una they come. So tell me, who is promoting oneness here? Who is promoting the oneness here? Who they promote the oneness? I'm asking you, who is promoting the oneness? You come on social media and you try to dehumanize us, call our women names, my beautiful Edo ladies, my queens, my goats, a goat in yakin, I don't joke with my Edo ladies. Go reach Gwebe na Edo. If you're doing yakin, all of them are Edo. All of them check their names, not Esa names. Orobosa, name Yosa, this one, not be Yosa anything. Ewosa, he did there, not be Ewose. We have Esa this, Esa name this one, Esa this one. When you come to Igwebe, it is Igwebe local government, not Esa name this thing. If Igwebe, if you're doing yakin, awa yefia nuwa ya abun. But they promote oneness. Oba Benin say he want to make it gather people together because of supremacy. They want for big boy. I'm calling for the history. I go read history for now. Una I go open. You and the call yourself Esa person. You will know how your king take become Onoji. You will see these things today. You go shock. Waiting you not create, you are fighting it. Now back creator, if it's dismissal. I want team, we got to pay me. Now I do it day. I'm waiting when they don't give you kingship. They don't give you chieftaincy title. Now until you die, even if they suspend you, now until you die, they cannot give that title to anybody again. I don't know why our ancestors put that law. I don't know why. I don't know why. And the law with there though, if they remove you, say you not be this chief anymore, until that chief die, they cannot replace that name with another person. It's not possible. Say we not love his son. Mama love his son. But I give love him. I say, tell me now. Oh, come carry my head. Carry my head now. Beatrice Okpaika, carry my head. Carry my head. I'm not your food jogger. Carry my head. Come carry my head. Careful, no you head. Me love where love you, me feel me moon where you are. Esa oh yeah. Anyway, go ah wapira bisho be wagbon. The Chris. When I no sense here. Go wa cool. Now they misbehave. Tell me what you want me to do for now. Governor, we give you. Development, is there with you. Now me, it was okay, fine. Esa, because before, I was able to say Esa, say the get is for there. Now I begin to see videos, that's EJO. These people, they have to see deal. Okay, maybe they say open that side small. Now they killed all the because Benin is too congested. I'm even supporting the African states, but the people even clamoring for the African state. The ideology behind it is because of hate, not because of development. Not because of development, because me, if you go Delta State, they have multiple cities there. Now let Benin be the only city where they finish. Uromi is coming up. I'm happy for that. I want me Uromi develop. If Uromi develop, then I don't know how would you region, those at least also those region. At least it will make more sense. But for the whole of Edo State, now let Benin. I want to go other places. This is why it's okay. At least we'll get multiple cities. So I don't really, you know, sir. I don't have issue with the guy. This our governor doing his community. If he was in fast track development for that region, it's okay. But if you see the way our Eastern brothers, some of them they do these things, it could pay you for body say, one aspect of setting now, the resources you are using to develop that region. Tell me, what thing that they give us from Edo State? The gas now we, the oil now we they run out. I do not get their own money for them. What thing else they give us? We are not finding a colony here. What do not get? What do not get to give us? Nothing. If you go Warri, they have oil there. If you go at Abasai, they have things there. What thing else they give us? We hate you now. We hate you now. Yama like him. Now that one they pay you for body. We see they the same. Mama who? Our women are shower this one. We not die. We not die. We dey here. Now name you call me. I'm not saying because you come back and it's okay for that reason as you hate me. Come on, no, for real life now. Me go see some person. I will see snake. He want more. Calobi. I will leave snake. No, for real life, we go see some person. I will see snake. I'll go buy some person. Leave snake. That it makes sense to you. No, to you it makes sense. Even you at my worst enemy for life, I'll just see some person. I just see cobra set like this. Oh, my woo. Then you have sala. I thought was seeing you. I need when I don't like truth. Then you are you go and I was seeing you are. I tell the truth. I was seeing you are near Quareva. Maybe I was living by Neja Ilushi and Quadoti Budoni. And I will be a senior with a bay. I could see you don't see robo people, they do this country, they do so. You don't see the car people, they behave like this. Why only Esa? Why? Am I about tribalism, you know? Are you kidding me? Emi got to beg ma. I'm gonna beg you work better on the fees not too big. You are nothing. Work better, are you the Chris? You want to do saga with other people? We're not normal. Now we beat Igbo people for this social media. In my being Wortoworto. You're back when we give the thing not good. Now you will game my house. You say I know it about you. Without your asking your history from A to Z, if you don't mention being for inside, you're not complete. We don't like Esa who rock water her. Now Esa person. That who rock water. Who rock water. Who rock water. How we moat who rock water. Now Esa person be. We don't like Esa. Many of you don't even know that a rock water, the story behind it, you don't even know that that man is an Esa person. A medicine man. But I never know. And many other one. Many Esa statue there beneath there. With more than there. Giving accolades to what they do in those days. Then you come on social media due to the kind of stupid things that don't make sense. If you even put it together, it never even correlates to make a sense. You see, for that reason, we hate Esa. Like, make it make sense. If you don't too much, they will go push everything out. Then me spoil. Thank you. We show them love. We show them love all the time, but they don't value it. They get more yaya. More spoil everything. I don't say friendship. I don't say anybody. You see, do I take this one? Even my family, I feel bullshit my family members. I don't say anybody. You won't say I don't get permanent friends. Not come my house. I don't they come your house. Gawa Ribariana. I know they carry friends come my house. This is my new apartment, so nobody they come here. I don't need you for my house. Before you will come my house, it will take you time. That way nonsense. Agbo of course not get friends. Agbo of course we not get some friends for Italy for there. In Agbo Egwan. Now why they see Benin people, they not like Esa. They not like Esa. Which love you want? Will give you. Which love you want? The love in Wagwalo. Tell me, I know. Tell me the love you want that you want us to give to you. May I give you my wife? May I give you my children? Or may I give you my landed property? Waiting you want, just state it out. You want governor instantly. We remove Dennis. Remove this person. Yamu. We give Okpaika. We give her straight up. Okpaika. Waiting you want, just list it out. Wait till I want now. Okpaika and Agbo Kosun with all jelly mini ne Ogwana Gbera Gbijue.
Yeah. When it comes to agriculture, we just can feed ourselves. We are feeding ourselves. See, exporting to all these ungrateful idiots called Benin. Yes, we are feeding them. The omebe when they chop belongs to Esa. The omebe is an Esan cultural food. Those days we can remember vividly when you guys used to insult us when they call us Ogbono. Ogbono now, we are eating Ogbono more than Esa. Oyele, yes. Ogbono. They eat it more than us now. Everything that you are eating, that your so-called cassava farm called Benin, that local village called Ancient, so-called Ancient, you want to remain like we are the ones supply you. We feed ourselves, we give you, we still feed you. The best thing any country can acquire is feed the ability to feed themselves and also sell, export outside, which is some people have the ability. What are you trying to say? In education, we are better than Benin. In politics, we are better than you. In agriculture, we are better than you. Name one thing you are better than us. You say we don't have river, and I post one video of Ozigono. Okay, with Ozigono, if you want me to be posting every day, I can post the river for in this and I can post again the red river. Yes, they say we are dry land. And when I begin to explain,
not pass one way. Wait, the river wait, those will not pass one way take for Gelegele.
Gelegele belongs to Ijo.
How many people they don't keep for them?
You hear that this guy now Agbo Okosun group when they call them indigenous people of Esan. Okpaika and their secretary. This boy, he join now. Iromose, join now. Ediale, he join now. Urofia, he joined them. No, that Lily, I don't know whether Lily joined them, but that one, he get 20 day on her own. You know understand? Who again? This OGLimi, I mean, OGLimi, they call himself. That one, if you just go to our page for YouTube, for the past, God knows how long, even more, in fact, I don't know whether they're from Nigeria, if for starting madness. That one say, waiting they can hate many people, the OGLimi. The thing is, now flimsy excuses that they give. The guy saying they drive one day. He was speaking in this language because if they are speaking this at the year, just like now, if they speak Edo language, they hear me, so there's no secret. Why they some in water? And they hear everything purely, so there's no hidden secret there. He said when in the drive for inside car, the year will jelly me, one useless boy, but I think that juice bug idea or I don't know for yet. He says in the drive, then one thing you tell him with Saka say, do this son, my Okpa. He said do and this son, they not be one. He said the voice just tell him inside car. He said before me the bliss will be one. He said that voice what they tell her from that day 90 change. 90 change. Just hate Benin people. The one they call himself is what TV where he say he turn when they raise up. He said fry over instead of fly over. He can't even pronounce this properly. You know, he can't even compose himself properly. So when they see all these guaga, all these nyama people, where we say just dodge as he escape imbecility, just dodge and fry over. Like I don't understand fry over. Now such people want to they compare with me. You want to compare with me? I don't understand. Excuse me. What's your pedigree? I don't get the point. I'm coming to all these things later. I will see things. I say if you cook, just go cook properly. If you know, because I go there more than 10 hours today, and the thing go long. It go long. Not listen I play. We are finished here now. I will relax. You know understand? I will still relax. Make this continue. Let them continue. I'm ready to promote this tribalism. I go promote time for now. You want to take the one time because I'm waiting. Those few dukes, about 10 in number of them, not all of them, because kudos to the honor of Irua. You know that this madness and some few responsible ones, they are not part of this man. You see those why they also where they craze. I'll begin to name their names. I'll be about 10 in numbers where they promote Agbo with the useless shenanigans. We go beat you now, waiting not good. Like I said, Belua, we go beat you now, waiting not good. We go beat you now, waiting not good. Like I said, Belua, we go beat you now. And we mean now, we go beat you now, waiting not good. When I go understand, say, Edo giawe die. In a small say, see your back for, but Edo giawe die. What when be, una too small to the challenge Edo. If what they come, now we they test them. Anything they come at those states, now we they test them. When we say Edo is Yakbon, Edo to the world, now we they know. Who beoa, you the Chris? Your identity was once Edo before you became a son. We named you a son. My name was historically now, by why you changed the name. Before people left, before you brought people back again, okay, may I use kingship? Because of say the fish say they are too brutal at that time. Let me use kingship to bless them. They'll come back to us again. Now I say bless them, that kingship. The histories are here. I will give people historical analysis. Not be blah 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 blah. Talk. Say don't start, we can finish. Esa heritage, Okpaika. You dey Italy, they go bring your picture. Come on, now. Esa heritage. Now you get that useless Esa renaissance for Facebook. You think your tribalism? Let me tell you, we go give you a tribalism. And now, I don't activate. I want to see how tribal as you guys can be now. I don't activate again. Continue, and I will deal with you people. Continue, and I will deal with all of you now. Continue, I will deal with all of you now. What when be now? Now let you beat you now. Now let you the beat all of you now. They cry. Now me beg Mama Mila King, say Mama Mila go stop this thing. I beg Mama Mila King. More in here. Now see beg if you stop. But if you know something the heart, she dey here. I'm already logo. Ekwe. Nani beg say if you la where you say I beg. She can't see rest. Moi Mila King, I beg that one to a time. She can't say okay. She can't rest. Nani beg them. Maybe they go stop for where? For where I say stop, they continue. I beg Lily. Now I say, I rather beg person where I know. Because they see they are my sisters and my brothers. Let me go and beg them. The time I get clash with some Igbo people, I don't craze go beg them now. They carry craze. I'm going to beg Igbo person for waiting now. I lower my guards, okay. Or tell me this tribalism of the thing, I don't like them. May this thing stop. May not go escalate, come to something else. As I come more, they say, Fuen, and I get it. They were laughing at me, and I get it. See, they beg us for unity. Unity beg that. They were mocking us. When the thing escalate to call, you don't like them now. Your history there with us. We know how to promote people and how to demarket you now. We are one man standing. We can fight anybody anywhere. We can fight anybody anywhere. Anybody will go give them what's not good. Now our space be this. My cyber space. Now we get cyber space. If your skin off, will not come here. If your skin off where those, not come here. Not fight us. We go finish you for this cyber space. We go finish you. And for ground, you don't physically face us. You know physically face us for the ground. Oh, go better. You the Chris? Who the Zuo? I'll be on Zuoni.
They're not so Skolo that there. All the Benin people where they go market for Skolo, not that they go carry fish. If they're not going to go
shooting now.
They're
not going to use may they not going to fleet La Lady spirit on that place.
Okay.
We don't need La Lady for that zone. We don't need single mother for that zone.
Wait, the river wait.
But the while you are Zuolele, are we manage the La Lady? You manage the La Lady. You manage the single mother. Show what on ya. While all mommy, mama, mommy, mama, mommy, mama. Who are con, who are be any kind back you are all where they want. Meme, baby me say now. Ah, come on. Are you kidding me? Meme. God forbid. When you are nonsense because my client platform get view. You see this platform, I don't need anybody here. Why gift me? You manage a gift. Don't gift me, manage a gift in it. If you can leave power tap, no problem. I don't need your gift. I'm not here for gifts. Equal a gift. I don't come here to do gift or if I have viewers or whatever. I don't make name of myself already. I know people will say I they talk to due to the kind of things I promote. But when I'm promoting something, promoting my golden women, Edo in particular, you want to demarket them, calling them single mothers. They call them landladies. Now there's really not built. I love my Edo women. Or Buduwe, check my brother platform and Nogi. You they see doings there. You see when Edo people gather, when they make this happen. Now who they chest down? Are you kid? Are you kidding? Now our Benin women they chest a Nogi platform. Or Buduwe, I they dread them. I don't lie. I they dread my Edo women. Ogon Bera, you dey Chris. Your son women fit do that thing. Can they give lion? Can your son women give lion? Ah, sungu.
You do that they serve there. The one where they Kubai, not be Obiake, Obi Wawa, not be food there. The one where they Yokorion, Obi Wawa, be pot, or not be food there. The one where see the we are saying, not be Obi Wawa, be able to food there. They see whether they buy and give it.
The only thing that the Benin's are giving to Edo, they are doing more than Esa land. I will list it. Benin's, yes, they are better than Esa in these 5 things. 1, Ashawo. They are better than Esa. 2, illiterate. They are so illiterate. So many illiteracy in Benin is very high in the Edo South. The high level of illiteracy. In Benin, you can see somebody with bear joy at 3-letter words and cannot spell joy. The literacy in Benin is very, very high. You understand? If I want to give you an example, come to Italy, you see almost 80% of them are stark illiterate.
Wait, at the con, you say whether we get airport. No, make us get airport. But one year will get airport. Mona live will be made we go. But that will not get airport. No, Kosamo.
Airport when they build it.
If we still give them Esan states or Afesan states, things not see better, they will still tell us that we cause and we have Afesan state on the progress. This is how this group of people with their few warrant chiefs where they call themselves kings. This is their mindset of thinking. If you see give them the same Esan state, though they want Esan state or not even the African state or African state, they will still tell you now Benin Kosa where they're not better for tomorrow. This is what this kind of set of people will say. You the hear of people they insult my people right now, B. So if I talk to you right now, you better shut up or you leave this place. You the hear they insult my people while they promote. If you don't like waiting at the talk now, get the hell out of here. I don't need you here. You get the hell out of this place. You they follow me, you don't like me. Get out. I don't come find followers here. I don't come joke here. I'm here for serious business. One way saga, I always saga. I don't do that nonsense. Iwe saga was zuoni nuaoni. Those meaningless saga. I don't do those things. It is point for point, fact for fact. If you want saga me, make sure say your pedigree day intact. You go school where your brain day okay. Before you talk to somebody like me, I not be your mate. I not be your mate for anything. Anything, I not be your mate. I not be your mate for anything. Not try, man. I not be your mate for anything. And I dey tell them most time, I not normal. I'm not normal. If you come with witchcraft, I wicked past that witchcraft. Messaging, I pass on a witch. If you want to use anything, I pass anything where you be. So I know normal. You know understand? So the best thing, maybe they avoid me. They avoid the way. Well, they run for me. I know normal. Bell.
The airport is in the capital city. Capital city belongs, those three local government belongs to. If you want to go now, until we leave that state now, you own that place. But as long as we are in that state, that capital city too, when we three local government, when your duke did so, when they wear skirt up and down, yes, it belongs to everybody, the Esan, all the tribes when they did that state. As long as we are still there with you people, but until we leave. Now let me finish the submission, man. The 5 things that the Benins are better than Esan. Yes, I will be honest. Me, I like to be straightforward. Yeah, you know, once somebody is better than you, it's better than you. When it comes to Ashawo prostitution, Benins are better than Esan. Esan is nowhere close. When it comes to La Lady, just becoming a La Lady, the Benins are better than Esan. Esan is nowhere close to Benin. When it comes to single mother, you know, chasing their husband away, both home and abroad, the Benins are better than Esan. When it comes to illiteracy, the high level of uneducated people, you know, the Benins are better than Esan. Benins, you know, are most of 90% of the Benin people, they are stark illiterate. Stark illiterate. They are illiterate. E.g., those, especially those in Europe, if you see them, 99.9% of the Benin people in Europe, they can't even write their name. They can't even write their name. You see, majority of them bear Joy, J-O-Y, Joy, and they can't even spell Joy. Now, the Benins are better than this, and the Edosa, they are better than this by bringing shame. E.g., Izzy Ogbede, who came out to say that prostitution is part of their culture. Guest trafficking, to carry small guests, carry go abroad, go they do Omuniki. You can go and watch the video. Yes, it's there. And all of them were busy shouting. They are better than Esan. Now, let's bring another, the final one. If you see any woman, any Benin person coming on social media to shout, we a sign man, he's sorting Esan, just check that woman. He has no husband. Esan woman now, if you see any Esan woman online now, they have their own husband, they're inside their husband, still doing video. But the Benins doing video on social media, they have no husband, they are single mothers. So they are better than Esan in that place. When it comes to
I think this woman they talk about single mother that day, they support single mother. When they do so, magba, when I gift because without we the Edo people, their platform they boom. Without we the Edo people going to their platform, you know they boom. Just leave them alone, their platform will die. In anything we are life support. In anything we be their life support for anything. For this social media, without us, they're nothing. For Edo, without us, they are nothing. You come online and talk this nonsense on my people, on my ladies. What better what bijwewa? You decrease.
They are inferior to ASAN. So when it comes to failure in politics, they are better than ASAN when it comes to failure in politics. When it comes to, courtism, yes, Benin have the highest rate of courtism to the extent they have unalived all their people, and at the end of the day, their women rush to the Duke in Ring Road Palace to protest that there's no longer men, youth in Benin.
I guess the same such day where they call your papa Duke Abi, the same Duke will give them this kinship. Okpaika did there. I see some of them today now they go a platform. I have mommy B, mommy, wabirawa, wasungu. Bibi where bibi there. Wasungu, mommy B. Bibi ne bibi where bibi there. Bibi there la baby. Bilua ozuo.
Courtesan has on our life. So when it comes to courtesan, Benin have the highest number of courtesan, not just only in Nigeria, in the entire world. Benin are number one. When it comes to Agbero, Benins are better than ASAN when it comes to Agberolism. They have the highest Agbero. Especially Agbero without brains, stark illiterate Agbero. People that will be shouting, hey,
so that one I want. Now, this is the person where they propagate. This is their ringleader, which is called Agbo Kosun. He calls himself ASAN History Talk Show. If you do, go a platform, go and look at this boy. He calls himself, because people will know this guy, they'll come very soon. They'll come explain when he make and turn to this chameleon snake way be so. They will come up here and explain it every day. May you know how people we they call brothers sometimes go fit to chameleon all overnight. You dey feel me so? People we want give relevance. You want give them relevance. Don't want to turn around because they feel they be boss. You dey craze. I'm your boss and you are my boy. Yes. This is the boy called Agbo Kosun. Now they want to talk now. You hear the kind of rubbish where they talk now. And Okpaika for the platform. This same boy. Now I bring this idiot they call himself Ogiamie of Utanta or Adi school. That one we don't better as he don't run 440. He don't base entirely be I don't know where they right now. He they form saying a Royal Majesty of Utanta. If I come back and make them lock inside prison. You know what happened that time? He this same idiot now. He get your district to face. He not face Yesan. He go bring that idiot they call himself Ogiamie. He can't go bring a con. He can't the interviewer for Facebook. They tell us say now him be the main king for that Benin, not be about Benin. This same bastard called ASAN waiting called ASAN History Talk Show. Waiting concern ASAN History Talk Show with us. As they speak now, he dey meet go with even some Igbo now they from Biafra. They say Ekpenede na Igbo land they be. Then they cry and say why Igbo talk such thing. When some Igbo with their Biafra they come Igbanke say Igbanke na Igbo. Agbo Okoso and his old shenanigans. They were saying it is true. If we touch them, they pain them. If we defend ourselves, we pain them. But if we touch them, you don't see us poke-nosing into their own affairs. Show me one video of one Edo person saying that Ekpenede is Igbo land. But you will see thousands of videos of these bastards, these shenanigans, saying Igbanke na Igbo land. When we are defending that place, these bastards, Negbema Wakona, and now I nonsense in it.
And then they use this platform to air out my voice to the Benin people from the Benin dungeon. You see, they said, I'm going to point out like 3 things that I'm going to emphasize on to debunk their fallacies that they've been propagating. Now, they said when Oba of Benin, the Duke Ekpenede, when he came to ASAN land to pay thank you visits, that because of the Duke was very powerful, or is a very powerful king, that was why the sun and the moon appear at the same time. Now, let me explain that to you people. I've explained it when they started propagating it long time ago. I came out and I told them that it was a bad omen. The sun and the moon that came, and now ASAN land is a land of purification. where people come for purification. We also undergo such purification where we do itikun or itukun atiole or ituuki. People come from other places to also observe such purification because Esan land is blessed. Ancestors and nature respect our land because we respect nature. How does that happen? Our ancestors never partake in what I call
no, don't say I shouldn't play it.
Using humanity.
You can't say I shouldn't play it because if I don't play it, there are people go say we they do bad things since then. This is what the Okpaika has been doing since then. Ekino dosis then ahin. Ekino dosis then ahin. But what I over nanya, I know they do tribalism. Ekino dosis then ahin. And they keep everything for them. And they keep everything for us since then. And they keep everything for us since then. Ekino dosis then ahin. Ora dwe wa dege. You when they do we say name iki abina isi opoji. You are they do any here. If we go Zaza, you go rent a house. When our saga, you will get depression. You understand it? So we go our depressive with saga. We go use saga depress for this social media. If you know say you don't get body, just why go walawa. We will depress you. Our use saga depress you. If your mind not day, your skin not food, just why go walawa. Go and sleep. When I water, guy, saga na water for you. I love saga, but he were trigger. If I come for you, depressed, you depressed, depressed. You go here no na me yo wonu. Bewa, it Chris. Wabira.
Slave trading, they never partake in human sacrifice and all of that. So because of that, nature respect our land. So if a very bad person who disrespect nature, who practice anti-nature, step foot into our land, you will see nature will send message. That was why the nature was telling us that day that a very bad man is in our land. A man who practice anti-nature is in our land. The moon and the sun that appear that day is a signal to tell us that something bad has happened, has come to our land. Oba of Benin is a very bad person who practice anti-nature.
One who practice for where Okpaika day, then you go come out tomorrow, come tell me say, I give her now for where Okpaika day, this is their ring leader. Agbe Okosun. Now we are ring leader. Then why should be the secretary? Due to say the drag us is there, or say the guy open live stream, she hardly goes there. Near way, those kind of things. If the guy posts something, he go tag, he must only tag Beatrice. He must tag this Beatrice Okpaika. No what here, Mama B, Mommy B. When you get to see, and they say some kind of stupid people. I don't want to make sure that now give them some kind of relevance. I don't want to give them some relevance. Well, I'm a now they insult even if they insult from other people. You get what if they swim, as they play for body. So now must hear this thing today. Let me say don't play him. I must play because you know what I mean. If you don't hear it, you must hear it now. Hear it. Maybe when they hear it. They hear what they talk. When they are gifting you, I won't give you now. Why you are gifting you? You just support them. All their platform on this TikTok, if you dog buy here, now do they promote them. Now do they promote their platform. Then tomorrow they will say that they're not good. And who you are gifting you? Who you are gifting you?
He is a seed of his own sister that gave birth to him.
Okay.
You understand? Because his father slept with his sister, gave birth to the Oba of Benin.
And the
Oba of Benin is also sleeping with his own sisters.
Okay.
And in extension, married two same sisters.
Okay.
That he's sleeping with. So he practices anti-nature. And as a matter of fact, human sacrifice is anti-nature. He practices anti-nature. So when that man stepped foot into the land where nature is respected, nature gave us signal. And that signal was to let us know that this is a bad omen. Something bad is going to happen. Now, I want to tell you people the truth. Since that time, after Oba of Benin stepped foot in this land and went, bad things started happening. Kidnapping that never happened before started happening till date. Started happening till date. Bad things started happening. So until our people at large begin to now trace their mind back to that bad omen that was told to us and go and appease our ancestors, things will still go bad. You understand? Things will still go bad. So we need to go and appease our ancestors for allowing Oba of Benin to step foot in our land. I'm your Barry son, Ojiamiere son. Now, let me not go further. You see, these people are coming up to try to mock us that our land is not developed. This is the reason a lot of people want to disassociate themselves from the Benin they mistakenly attach themselves to, or the Edo State they mistakenly attach themselves to. Let us look at the whole of Afemai. Can any Afemai person come out to be proud of any development that any Benin governor brought to their region since Benin governor has been ruling as Benin governor? Can anybody in and outside Afemai, whether you are Afemai or you are not Afemai, or the Benin people, the Esan people?
Now, you see waiting they are ringing and they talk. He say whether any Afemai people fit they proud of whatever it they explain just now. The question I want to ask, I beg, Oriomo, where they give money to the entire Edo State, how many government presence they Oriomo? It's a question. Waiting make it bank people the verse. The entire Oriomo bank the largest local government for Edo State. Bank even they there. How many government presence they Oriomo? The road to Oriomo, the full length, is the road okay? Who there, how many government presence they there? But this same guy just now, the colleague, that one we call it say white social, he say for Eastern side, they get many government structures for that place. And even Okpaika now they build more for them. You see why I say they do so. One is social media. Okay, when they argue. Now they want to try instigate Edo North people. Maybe they can't join for this, their stupid shenanigans. How many Edo North people don't say they throw mark to any monarch for Edo? How many Edo North people don't say they insult any monarch for Edo? How many of them? How many of them? None. Now let Esan, they do this rubbish. How many people from Urobo people, they do this thing? Where they do so? They fight. How many they see? None. How many of the cars they see they do this rubbish? None. Why this now leave them? Now they say they was the attack. What is your problem? Even for that, I don't know. When I was talking this thing, that was last year. When I was, analyzing this thing last year, some people from Edo North came here and were like, this thing, it's true. Our people get problem with them too. Oh, someone I not like these people. Now they can bring them kokon. Now he's there, I must say, no way. Now remove her. He never even support this Okpaika. He not support them. Now we close to them back. If Baba they go Aso Rock, anytime, any day they go Aso Rock, you go first carry them follow body. Go check the last one we say Baba go with them. Now all not just for Romy, now they back. If you take them follow body as one. You can only see the don't know people. You go first carry some people follow body. You go carry them follow body or see as they do rich, we not good. So the question I'm asking, which kind thing do you want me to do? We go make you day happy. Now fiun, na moon where, and I fear for a moon where do they okay, where the way you sa oye, me the way sa oye, ma akin go dao, ala go dao, or ire, or ni me or nu we mo ba, ni ma do kien oje, ou e kien akin ba, ime no we, runda e donama zesi o esan, on yon do avec be, akin aze. Right from now export, et ça me gagne waze kia. Il vient de me, et be we me ma no sunu. Hein? When Agboria, oseme, when Agboria, when oseme, et ça oye. Mais c'est ça ne, ofure, ebe fuwere, et ça maou, akugbe maou, oye. Et ma c'est ça ne, ma fone. Et don't know. Is ça ne? Okay, maybe I don't have the fine because export, you can say ça. Esa oye, maybe on Okpaika. Ni wa ki esa. Ya ki esa nou Ya ki esa. Ke na ki pa make zesa, we ki zesa ni me make zesa nou me ke dore, but on de me na te re ici, I go gbe me na te re we ayi make esa. Egbe wa we me. Okpaika me ma enu me ma e baru, we ma we ba wi me. Ça l'eau boire il a fait avec me. Oh si on est ici bien dit fly over. On we fly over. Mais soit c'est ça ba me get te fly over we fly over egbe wa go me. Mon ciel o egbe a. Wa bera wa biju e gbe wa gbon. Omori Amusono. Beo. Oh, we have to go back attack me. Don't go better. He the creates. What better bizwa? Biamonozua. Roviera. We have from go maturity. What's your maturity? Many mature. We are over remain. He the creates. Roviera remain. Oba ni mega. Oba no yere kue. Ni me suwe ahe. Say I dey Europe. Go be maturity. He the creates. What better wa bizwe. Sungu. Say maturity. Ni me mature. I know the mature. They do have maturity. Imu fwa. Imu. My own different. Now promote say etu wa which abalizing. Gia we. Gia gbo we yok na give no ruwe. Sorry. Gia etu we can promote tribalism. Gia gbo we yok pa. Mega gbo we yok pa we aga mi no ruwe. We only meze sa ma do kin okpa makin. Abi ba na robi okpa bi. Makin okpa ne we okpa me okpa. Runda me zesan we zesan erogino esa oye. While any Awodoni, school day, polytechnic day, university day, Okpaika will see buildings, something magnificent in that region now. They will ye gwalo, mama you like you we. Come cut my neck, don't fear for we don't know. The other day, one idiot of this group, he say, what did they want now? Maybe they rotate the kingship for Benin. If Benin posi do oba, Esa osi do oba, now waiting one of their group member talk. For this, their indigenous people of Esan. The fights, where they fight us, now that kingship where they ring road there. Our oba ogiti kanonya doni, enya gbimaba. Okay, sino sinya we gbe wa sinya again. Awa ti umogun atokpe, iya waga gue sagen ga siwe gbiyan, o siere o siya sinya we gbe. Iya wa gun ya fian wu. Awa amire ya fian wu. O ki oba sungu. Wa am you boya sungu. Mota. Wa biruwa wa bijuwa with those warrant chiefs. I don't let her.
The whole of Afema and point hand at a particular sustainable infrastructural development that was championed by a Benin governor. These people, they are destroyers. They come, they don't do anything to your land. They destroy what they met there. They turn the land to underdeveloped land. So, just as the Esan people...
The same underdeveloped land, now Okpaika for build house. The same underdeveloped land, now use those your few warrant chiefs where they promote you, though not all of them. Kudos to the Onojo of Irua and some one those big ones say get sense. I mean, Zuani, may they do about. Now that old job of a beat guy, body for ne, he have no talk with his useless wife. No go and belu wife, one sungu agbon. Ya belu wife, and they come for up now, one by one. May I teach you a lesson. I will begin to give you a history, one by one. Sungu. King, again, the king. Wabera the grace. I'm again when. Again, Baba Munuwa, why do ya Zagadabu? No, I argue money, Baba. If not your Baba, who know you? We're not Salah. Why you wrong? For wait now. I give our fear with Bioi. Sungu.
The pain of political underdevelopment, tactical political underdevelopment, so that they will be mocking us that your land is not developed. So also, the African my people are feeling it. The people, if you go to the Uronigbe side, you go to the Ijo side, the Ijo are crying. When you get to the Ijo side, you will see that nothing there, no development, everybody is crying.
No.
Go to Okpaika, nothing there, everybody is crying. Now, I also want to say this.
You see, the road where they
nothing there, everybody is crying. Hey! These people, they think even their Benin is developed, not know that their Benin is not developed. These people are idiots who think that all their Benin, where the place they call the whole of Edo South, end in that they are Benin. Move away from that ring road and ring road as is. Enter every community in Benin. All the community are suffering from
that ring road,
cross underdevelopment.
My brother, you see that ring road where you see so
yes.
The front, when you go see say stores cover, go the back.
Yes.
Go the back. You see say
the
Okpaika, why people they run for Esan land? This one, I said, if you go long today, or I turn, you know the kind of person where they are not normal. They all go as well, man. Or say, I go relax. This is the man who tribalism now. Since you want to start, now why would the base one? Now we the best one. Why you when are they run from Mesa land? When are they run from Mesa land? Well, no, sorry. Alazen or rote sa no beluwa gyoi. Was the new na rule vote sa etin agbuwewa. In agbuwewa when I lay adi do. When I let ko te sa de na zenge gboa mega gbole dumuto mega gbole isaga no azenga gbole azenga gbolu dumuto azenga gbole dumuto azenga gbole saloma oh ma le noko ga re do le noko do le noko ma le woku yo saluba me saga ya ri na saga, if you not tell me, we like a saga sekia, you saluba me saga, or we like a saga sekia. If you ye, get walking, sir. If you we like a saga say, sorry, oh, or we like a saga say, kia, maybe like a saga say, uwe, egbe wa woman, it's a oye, it's a oye. Mega gbolu du motor, mega gbolu du motor. Bang. Oh yeah. Makoyo. Do ya make you sound? Where say agbokoso. Una land with dead body full everywhere. Now run from that and not back una na come run come Benin. You say now under development they but na full Benin. Okpaika built how many houses for Benin? All of our day and now, no again now with the teacher they form hits. Your house is there, Benin. Go is around they cut you gyoi. They will finish you there. Okpa. Okpa. You say we get landlady. At least landlady get things to inherit. How many you feel inherit for their grave? Now grave they inherit now. Now grave they inherit. Our women they inherit houses. Like me now, get my property there. Huh? My mom gallant, my dad gallant. My dad get property, my mom get property. I be homodion, I get enough to inherit. Me get property to more than one. Huh? Big boy. My children get things to inherit. At least not be great, they want inherit. They will not inherit grave. What do you want inherit? Grave. Mega gbolu du moto. Mega gbolu du moto. Also give me bang. Also da ume re. Also ye keva ume. Also salut boy. Also give me also da ume re. Mata. O kole. O give me. O also da ume re. Wa si ye keva do you ni ari yo me wa. Now na song now. Abi ever ya swear. I see ye came I've been a EKK they call like they not say ye when I get to Ramazesi EKK anything where I call them but take I also give me also da ume re I see ye came ume on ye son I go Okpaika Alpha you can't buy house I be come build house for Benin and Okpaika then you throw mad they can't say Benin Edonuazena or yam you waun Edona nuazena since malake edo uzedo edona hia gbue edona nuzena or gbo Okpaika agbo kosun edona nuzena hia gbo ohun a fry over people a fry over edona nuzena the ones where their head not dey comot am if you not drink these bastards remove your body imago web one now who come for me I will come for but for saga anything na no hold bars we just go everywhere if you touch you not vex today okay na saga be I know it's not be always about but today na saga if anything we hear manager if you manager and leave this place the matter you now to affair I can't do
for that they are bring growth in many past in many past population of human being so the place is rotting. The place is rotting. There is nothing good there. These people, what we are speaking of is for the benefit of those that are non-citizens of those states. So that they will not be taking these Benin people seriously. These Benin people know how to lie. Every day of their life, they know how to lie. I also want to quickly...
We know how to lie. You see, they lie where they like, you will bring proofs. If they lie, you will bring proofs. But if I give you a food on our facts, We not be lie. When I begin to shit for our pants today. You understand? They bring our comments now. They bring our comments. Our women are landlady, okay? Understand? We get things to to give our ladies. What do you have to give Agbo Koson? Nothing. The greatest person for Eastern land, his TV said it. He said an Igbo person. He said an Igbo, they develop Eastern land.